we'll just smash it.
Wow, wow, wow. Stay tuned. Hello everybody and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you how to turn cucumbers, tomato salad into something that you've never heard of. The main ingredient is cucumber, but we're gonna smash it. We're gonna add some herbs, we're gonna add some spices, some feta cheese, and it's gonna be absolutely delicious. Everybody will be blown away. We need obviously cucumbers. We need a few tomatoes. You can just make it with cucumbers without tomatoes. I'm using small cherry tomatoes, lime juice, or you can use just lemon juice, garlic. I had ramps. It has garlicky taste, and that's pretty much it. We're gonna use some za'atar. We're also gonna use some red chili peppers and some feta cheese. Again, if you want to, you can adjust, you can skip some spices. And we need one of these are rolling pins, so we're gonna smash our cucumbers with, so let's do it. So here I have kind of smaller cucumbers, those are called Persian cucumbers. You can also use the long ones, same technique, just smash it and break it apart. And these are a little bit bigger. So I'm gonna put it in my strainer, add some salt, and I'm gonna let it sit for about 5-10 minutes so the juice really comes out. And while we're waiting for the cucumbers, I'm gonna chop ramps, but you can use just garlic. And we're gonna lightly saute it. I'm also added some tomatoes here. I'm gonna add the spice, red pepper flakes, some salt. I'm gonna turn it off and let it cool. For my herbs, I'm using basil, some mint, these are chives, whatever herbs you like, chop them all together. Alright, so it's been probably 5-10 minutes. Cucumbers release juice, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just break them apart. Now I'm gonna add tomatoes. I'm gonna squeeze some lime juice. I'm gonna add all the herbs. Oh my gosh, already smells so good. Let's mix it all together. Wow. Let's add some salt, fresh feta. And here you have it. Nice and pretty. Simple ingredients that will make you happy. Let's try it. Love the colors, love the texture, love feta, herbs, amazing. If you like garlic, I will definitely recommend putting garlic. You can put goat cheese. Instead of lime, maybe you can use lemon as well. Oh man. I like that the tomatoes are still a little bit warm. Very good. And if you don't have za'atar seasoning, just salt, pepper. I hope you give it a try this summer. Cucumbers, tomatoes, super simple, and I will see you soon.